Dear students, I welcome you all to watch this video on second PU Accountancy Model Question Paper 1 for Reduced Syllabus 2020-21. This is part 5. In this video, I would like to solve problem number 29, which is on admission of a partner with capital adjustments. First, let's have a glance over the problem. Gauri and Ganesh are partners in a firm sharing profits equally. Following is their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Liabilities, amounts, assets, amount. We have cash in hand 7,000, stock 25,000, buildings 40,000, debtors 17,000, less PDD 1,500, 15,500, furniture 14,500, patents 30,000, plant and machinery 18,000. And on the other side, creditors 20,000, bills payable 4,000, general reserve 6,000, capitals Gauri 80,000, Ganesh 40,000, total 1,50,000. On 1/4/2020, Shiva is admitted into partnership on the following terms. Number 1, Shiva should bring in rupees 25,000 as capital. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 16,000 and you have to treat it as per AS 26. Stock is to be increased by 8%. Provision for doubtful debts is increased to rupees 2,600 and capital accounts of partners are to be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio of 3:2:1 based on Shiva's capital and adjustments to be made in cash. You are asked to prepare revaluation account, partners capital accounts and the balance sheet of the new firm. This is the problem. Now let us start with revaluation account. Revaluation account, write the heading and format. We know that revaluation account is to be debited with the decrease in the value of asset and increase in the value of liability, and it should be credited with increase in the value of asset and decrease in the value of liabilities. Look at the adjustments. Adjustment C, stock is to be increased by 8%, means it is to be credited to revaluation account. By stock, how much stock? 25,000 is there. 8%, it should be increased by 8%. 25,000 into 8% comes to how much? 2,000. Next, provision for doubtful debts. Only two adjustments are there. Provision for doubtful debts is increased to rupees 2,600. Look at the balance sheet. PDD is 1,500. Now you have to bring it to rupees 2,600. Look at the wordings there. Provision for doubtful debt is increased to rupees 2,600. By anta illa 2 rupees 2,600 anta ide. Balance sheet alli 1,500 ide. Adannu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2,600 ತನಕ ತರಬೇಕು. Means there is increase in the value of provision for doubtful debt. Means it should be debited to revaluation account. And how much is to be debited? Earlier it was 1,500. Now bring it to 2,600. Means extra amount how much? 1,100. That is to be debited to revaluation account. No other adjustments. Now find the total. Which side is more? Credit side is more. Rupees 2,000. Write the same total on the other side and find the difference. Difference is 900. That is revaluation profit. Profit on revaluation transferred to old partners capital accounts. Who are the old partners? Gauri. They are equal partners. 900 into half, 450. Again Ganesh, 900 into half, 450. Total profit 900. This is how revaluation account is to be prepared. Next, let's prepare the partner's capital account. Write the heading and draw the format. And capital account, we start with opening balance, by balance brought down. Look at the balance sheet. Gauri's capital how much? 80,000 and Ganesh's capital 40,000. By balance brought down 80,000, 40,000. And look there, is there any general reserve or profit and loss account balance? Yes, general reserve is there. It is to be credited to old partner's capital account. So by general reserve, how much it is? 6,000. They share equally. So 6,000 into 1 by 2, 3,000. Again 6,000 into 1 by 2, 3,000. Next, adjust the revaluation profit. Revaluation account debtor to old partner's capital account. Old partner's capital account credited by revaluation account. 450, 450. Clear? Brings in capital. 25,000. Shiva brings rupees 25,000 as capital. By cash account, rupees 25,000. And regarding goodwill, what the problem says? Goodwill of the firm is valued rupees 16,000 and you have to treat it as per AS 26. New partner does not bring cash for goodwill, but goodwill is valued at rupees 16,000 and you are asked to treat it as per AS 26. So how to treat? Let's make a working note. Treatment of goodwill. We know that the value of goodwill of the firm equals rupees 16,000 and Shiva's share of goodwill is 16,000 into 1 by 6. Shiva's share how much? 1 by 6. New ratio is 3:2:1. So Shiva's share is 1 by 6. 16,000 into 1 by 6 comes to rupees 2,667. Next, Shiva's share of goodwill is to be adjusted among old partners Gauri and Ganesh in which ratio? In their sacrificing ratio. ಶಿವಾಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗೌರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಣೇಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ old share as well as new shares are given. When both the ratios are given in the problem, we need to calculate sacrificing ratio. Otherwise, we assume that the old partners sacrifice in their old profit sharing ratio only. But here, we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio. And we know that share sacrificed equals old share minus new share. Old ratio is 1:1, new ratio is 3:2:1. You know that. So now share sacrificed by Gauri, how much she has sacrificed? Her old share 1 by 2, her new share 3 by 6. Again it is 1 by 2 only. 2 and 6 common factor 6. So how much it comes to? 0 by 6 means Gauri has not sacrificed anything in favor of Shiva. Next, share sacrificed by Ganesh. Ganesh's old share how much? 1 by 2. New share 2 by 6. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 6, common factor 6. You know, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 3 3, 6 into 1 6, 2 into 1 2, comes to how much? 1 by 6. Therefore, sacrificing ratio equals 0:1. Means here Ganesh has sacrificed the entire share of Shiva, or Ganesh has given the entire share of Shiva. Gauri has not sacrificed anything. Therefore, Shiva's share is entirely sacrificed by Ganesh and hence Shiva's share of goodwill should be credited only to Ganesh's capital account. You know, for adjusting the goodwill amount valued as per AS 26, the journal entry is new partners capital account debtor to sacrificing partners capital account. Who has sacrificed here? Only Ganesh has sacrificed. So we need to credit the entire amount to Ganesh's capital account only. ರೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಂದಿನೂ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ರೀತಿದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ನೌ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Adjust the value of goodwill, Shiva's share of goodwill. For that, entry is new partners capital account debtor to sacrificing partners capital account, Shiva's capital account debtor to Ganesh's capital account rupees 2667, and on the other side by Shiva's capital account you have to write in Ganesh's capital account 2667. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಗಣೇಶ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿವ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಶಿವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಶಿವಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಧಾರ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತಗೊಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೇಟ್, calculation of capital as per new profit sharing ratio. We know that new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Capital brought in by Shiva, how much? Rupees 25,000. Shiva's share 1/6, but he has brought in 25,000. Of this 25,000, rupees 2,667 is adjusted towards goodwill. So Shiva's capital after adjustment of goodwill equals rupees 25,000. ಅವನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ತಂದಿದ್ನಲ್ವ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕಳಿಬೇಕು, 2,667. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? 22,333. Shiva's capital after adjustment of goodwill is 22,333. How much is Shiva's share? Shiva's share is 1/6. So for 1/6th share, how much is his capital? 22,333 is his capital. Therefore, total capital how much? Therefore, total capital based on Shiva's share equals 22,333 into 6/1. 1/6 inverse. 6/1 comes to how much? 1,33,998. ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 1,33,998. And this is the total capital of the firm after the admission of Shiva. Therefore, Gauri's capital equals 1,33,998 into her new share 3/6 comes to how much? 66,999. 66,999 is the capital of Gauri. Then Ganesh's capital equals 1,33,998 into 2/6 comes to how much? Rupees 44,666. This should be the capital. How much? Gauri's capital should be 66,999. Ganesh's capital 44,666. And new partner Shiva's capital is 22,333. If old partner's capital is more than this amount, they have to withdraw. If it is less than this amount, the concerned partner has to bring the shortage amount in cash. That's what the problem says. Now remember this. Let us again go to capital account. Right here, two balance carried down. How much? Gauri's capital should be 66,999, Ganesh's capital 44,666, and Shiva's capital 22,333. Now find the total. Leave some space here. Gauri's capital account, credit side total how much? 83,450. How much capital should be there? 66,999. Means there is excess capital. And how much is the excess capital? Excess capital is to be withdrawn in cash by the concerned partners. So here, to cash account, excess capital withdrawn. How much? 83,450 minus 66,999 comes to 16,451. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 83,450 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ? 83,450 ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು? 66,999 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್? 16,451. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗೌರಿ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ? ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ go to Ganesh's capital account. Which side is more? Again it seems 43,000, 45,000. Credit side is more. ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? 46,117. Write the same total on the other side. Find the difference. 46,117 minus 44,666 comes to how much? 1,451. Now Ganesh's capital, Shiva's capital account 25,000. Write the same total here, 25,000. There is no question of excess. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಈಗ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲಿಂದನೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ there is no question of adjustment in case of Shiva's capital account. This is how capital is to be adjusted. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 66,999, 44,666, 22,333. Now let's prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet of the new firm as on 1st April 2020. Liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees, cash, assets and cash. Look here, cash account ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 7,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶಿವ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 25,000. ಮತ್ತು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ 16,451 ಗೌರಿ withdrawn by Gauri and 1,451 withdrawn by Ganesh. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 14,098 is the closing balance of cash in hand. Next, stock 25,000 in the old balance sheet, add appreciation 2,000, 27,000. Sundry debtors 17,000 less PDD. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,500 ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಅದನ್ನು 2,600ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ 14,400 ಇಂದ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 14,500. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 18,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 30,000 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 40,000. ನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಚ್. Go to the other side. Creditors 20,000, bills payable 4,000, then capital. ನಾವೀಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಗೌರಿ 66,999, ಗಣೇಶ್ 44,666, ಶಿವ 22,333. ಟೋಟಲ್ 1,33,998. Now find the total of balance sheet. You should get it tallied. 1,57,998. Both the sides. 1,57,998. Okay. This is how the revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheets are to be prepared at the time of admission of a partner. Capital adjustment ಇರುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay. Thank you.